How to use the content slide in Slidea. Let's start by clicking on the New Slide button and choosing the Content slide. The Content slide is extremely versatile. You can use it for title slides, agenda slides, thank you slides, section dividers between interactive slides, informational or non-interactive content, and even slides with tables, charts, shapes, symbols, videos, or audio. It works exactly like PowerPoint and Google Slides, so if you're familiar with those, you'll feel right at home. To create a title slide, simply enter your title. You can format the title using the available text formatting options, change the font, size, alignment, color, and more. You can also apply a background or add grids to enhance the design. If needed, you can upload images and position them anywhere on the slide to create a visually appealing title page. Using Content slide as an agenda slide. To create an agenda slide, start by entering your title. Then add the body text with your agenda points. Use the formatting options to style the text according to your presentation needs. You can also apply a background to give it a more polished look. Click on Shapes from the right panel. Choose the shape you need and drag it onto the slide. You can resize, reposition, and format the shape using the available options, including color, border, and alignment. Click on Lines from the right panel. Select your preferred line type and drag to draw it wherever needed. Just like shapes, you can format the line using the available customization options. Click on Chart from the right panel. Once inserted, you can format the chart using the available options. If you want to change the data, simply click on Edit Chart Data and update the values directly. Click on Table from the right panel. After placing the table, you can format it as needed. You can also edit the cell values directly inside the table for quick updates. Click on Video from the right panel. You can upload a video or audio file from your device, or paste a URL and click Confirm. This makes it easy to include rich media directly in your presentation. To create a thank you slide, enter your text. Format it using the available styling options. You can even add an emoji from the Symbols section in the right panel to make it more engaging. Finally, apply a background to complete the slide design. Positioning and animations. You can manually change the position of any element on the slide. You can also add animations to elements to make your presentation more dynamic. These features work the same way for all elements on the content slide. Importing PPT or PDF files. If you import a PPT or PDF file, the imported slides automatically function as content slides. This means you can use all the formatting and editing options available in the content slide on your imported slides as well. That's how you can fully utilize the content slide in Slidea. Flexible, powerful, and easy to use. And that's it. It's your turn to create amazing content slides.